ko lang OBS, pang-pod rin to.
Pwede naman sila likuran. Sulod eh.
Talo nakagate. Talo nakagate. Nana sila dito sa mga. You guys can watch my stream.
Sila yung na-stop.
Si dito.
Sila.
I'm ready to lose 40 mil.
Yeah, same here.
Team
Watch this
ko.
jeep.
Ilang minuto na LT-40 men?
7 people zone in trail from
Nag-start
northeast.
na sila dito.
Brawl comp na sila, brawl.
Guys, brawl comp daw from northeast 7 people.
7 people, 7
Yo, yo.
people.
Anong tier nila? Guys, ma'am,
Eight.
dito.
Guys, if ever I'm gonna call for you out, 100% someone's gonna get caught. So we're just gonna fucking fight, okay? We're just gonna fight outside. So please be ready.
Does
We're
someone
just gonna fight outside.
Isa lang ako healer dito sa labas
Kahit anong spear, kahit anong spear.
Ilang kayo dyan sa labas? Like, naka-proper. How many D-tanks outside?
Ako, 100,
Brawl kami.
100.
Izo. Kitang.
Okay.
Ito na sila
Ako lang
Malapit
healer
na
dito
isa. Meron silang heavy mace, saka blood letter.
Hindi ko may heal kayo lahat dito.
Good sila.
Guys,
Mura.
Dalawa healer
ng healer.
namin sa loob. Dalawa healer namin sa loob.
Another heavy miss.
I'm just waiting for Mesmer to log out, then we good. Is he logged out already?
Nag-alt
Not yet?
F4 siya kay. Nag-alt F4 siya.
Sige, after na log out niyan, we go out and fight.
may naka T8 na
May
Infinity
makakatag
Blade.
kung nakalog out na siya para malaman.
May
Wala,
dalawang
nandito pa siya.
Dinadive ko okay? Or nanadive ko?
Dinadive kami, dinadive.
Dinadive sila. Defending
Mesmer, di ka naman
healer,
nag-login, no?
Nirbo, kung makapag-healer ka.
Oh, punta ako.
Join ka party
Okay.
2.
Healer
Wag
naman.
wag lang mag-login.
Anong map niyan, Jem? Pasan ka ako.
Dito lang, trail lang. Is
Trail.
Is yung sa water bridge, pre.
Okay, okay.
Umuwi na yung brawler.
Ayan, wala na si Mesmer.
Naglagaw na, wala na si Mesmer. Naglagaw
Okay.
na.
Yo, come sa test. A-out together, okay? 1, 3, 2, 1, go. A-out. Guys, listen to me. We need help outside. Someone might get black skin or hit, so we need to fight outside.
Wala.
Meron
Safe
kayo,
naman
may
doon.
guard ka
Safe
dun. May
lang
guard
kayo.
ka dun. Tinaboy namin yung pumasok na.
Okay. Mount up, hold. Don't do anything. Okay, where are they? Are they gonna fight? No.
Fight. Tara.
Ang Panginoon nyo.
Napasukin natin sa loob.
Okay, pag makalabas kayo, palabasin nyo din si Mesmer para mabalik yung gear.
Ito na.
Mamaya
Stop sila,
na, pwede
stop sila.
escort.
Ay, mamaya muna.
Stay ka lang dyan, Mesmer.
Four people nag-zone sa northeast. Naka-blight. Blight heavy mates.
Tumakbo sila? Or...
Pabalik na ulit dito. Galing daw
Pabalik.
like
From
Binugaw
northeast.
namin.
Tamaan ka.
Clear yung Clear yung...
Defnat, can you give chopper?
Guys, may Ava party, come to me. Let's try to act like we're running. Ava party only, okay?
What did you say, Kendall?
No,
Where
just
did I go?
follow 1K.
Where did I know?
May tatlo dito. Light stuff, bear paw, heavy mace.
Wala silang DA, ayaw nila pumalag.
Level 5 tayo.
In Q nag-zone na rin.
Act like we're gonna get scared, guys, okay?
BDA tayo 1K.
It's okay. Yung iba nga, pre, tago muna kayo sa dungeon, pre, para walang DA. Okay, come out, West. We go to the hideout.
Blab coming.
Saan?
Okay. Sa from cross. Zoning sa trail.
Okay,
Incubus
okay.
T8 armor, ay T9 armor, Incubus. Here.
Okay.
Zoning sila. Zoning all.
Ay, T8 lang pala, T8.
Guys, comes out. Okay,
Ito, may solid dito.
Try to act like we're running, guys. Try to act like we're running, okay? If they dismount, you let yourself get caught, okay?
T8 T10.
Okay. It's fine. Listen to my call, guys, okay? Listen to my call.
Nag-out na sila, 1K.
Come east.
Lumabas na sila. Dito sila.
It's okay.
Sila na ngayon yung nagpasundo.
Come north. Are they gonna fight or not?
90A.
9K sila? Yo, come on.
Dito sila.
Yo, they dismounted here, okay? Get ready to fight, boys, guys. Okay, full spread dismount now. We brawl now. Brawl na, brawl. Okay, hit me. 3, 2, 1, hit me now. Brawl now, keep brawling now. I'm gonna drop Judy here. Keep brawling. Just brawl. They don't have anything here. Just brawl. Brawl on the west. Guys, nandito sa west. Nakamark yung healer. Focus on the healer, guys. Focus on the healer. I'm gonna stun the healer. Come to me. Healer, on the ping. Yo, listen to me. Don't run like that. Putang ina nyo, come to me. Okay, brawl now. Just brawl. Heals on them.
Healers, skull mark.
Guys, nakamark na yung mga healers. Heal for Death Knot comes out. I'm trying to save you. Okay, keep brawling. They're done. Brawl, just brawl. Just brawl. Feel for the healer. I'm gonna stand here again. Just brawl. Just keep brawling.
Run east.
Okay, guys, catch him inside. One more healer here. Kill the healer.
East. Madami sa east ha.
Guys, south. Follow the crowd. Naka-stand na lahat. Kill them. Good sila. Kill. They're still fighting. Guys, on the ping. Putang ina, walang sumusunod. Come to me. Dito, oh. Mamamatay na. 6-3. Mamamatay na. On ping. Isan ko. Patayin yan.
Pwede mo. Thank you.
Okay, wait.
I did die. Holy shit. I was so prepared to die right there. Holy fuck.
Pagkabalot.
Putang ina.
Sino namatay?
Wala.
Party ba yun? Yung namatay?
One more. Catch.
Natawa sa baba.
No. Nasaan?
Dismounted, nice one.
Dismounted. Oh, spread. Nag-invi. Nice.
Patay na.
JQ baka tamaan.
Asan?
Kill.
Uy, tropa si JQ.
Gago. Hindi. Tangina.
Yo, guys. Mount up.
Holy shit.
Oh my god.
Tara, harapin mo na.
Listen to me. Come southeast. We wait in the terry. Okay? For Atlo. Everyone, come southeast.
Oh, teka lang di pollut Mga pumulot yan.
Hindi ako nakapag-bot, walang hiya. Hindi ko na-click. Na-fight na kaagad.